Hey everybody, welcome. It's Dr. Brown from KNS Chiropractic, your Baltimore area chiropractor. Today, what we're going to show you are the 4 best stretches for low back pain. Alright, this is Anna, one of my chiropractic assistants. She's been in another video for her ankle and her knee. So, the first thing is, none of these should cause pain. If any of these stretches cause pain, then don't do them. They're not the right stretches for you. But after 21 years of doing this, these stretches have been the best and we get very good results for them. Number one, when you lay somebody down on their back, their knees must be bent like this. This flattens the low back against the table and takes pressure off of there. This should be a very relieving position for most people. As a matter of fact, if you ever need to put ice on your back, this is a great position. Take an ice pack, shove it under there, keep your legs bent. We want everything flat. These stretches are simple. All 3, except the one, you're gonna bring your knees up to your chest. Very, very easy. So number 1, you're gonna take one knee and you're gonna pull it up to your chest. And you're gonna hold it up there for 10 seconds. All the stretches that I give you will be repeated 3 times and you will hold them for 10 seconds each. And you can do them several times throughout the day. So you're gonna do that for 10 seconds. This is gonna stretch the back of the leg, a little bit into the butt, and the side of the back. And you put it down. And we're gonna repeat that 3 times. So go a little quicker here at home, a nice long count of 10. Should feel good. No pain. Great exercise for people. Somebody that's in a lot of pain, they should be able to do this. Might be a little bit tender as they put it down, but they should be able to do that. So 3 times. After we're done that side, we'll do the other side. Always keep the knees bent. Up to your chest. If you're in that much pain, you might have to have somebody in your house help you. They can push just a little bit. You're not trying to break any records. We're just trying to get a gentle stretch across the tissues. Do it again. Do it again. 3 times. Everything's simple. Should be very, very simple. So 3?
2.
All right, 3. Last one. You get the point. The next one, we're going to bring both knees up to your chest. Now, if somebody's in a lot of pain, this might be a little difficult getting them up there. So, if you're not in pain, or you're not in that much pain, that should be very, very simple. You pull them up to your chest, you're gonna hold it there for 10 seconds. Great stretch. It's gonna feel very relieving across the low back. It's a wonderful stretch. This will help you out if you're in a lot of pain. When you put them down, if you're in a lot of pain, you're better off putting them one leg down at a time. And same thing, if you're having a lot of pain and it's hard to get them up, sometimes it's easier to do this one and then this one. But the end result is going to be both knees up to your chest. 3 times for a 10-second hold. Now we're going a little quicker here, but at home, 3 times 10 seconds. The next stretch, very simple, looks a little complicated, but it's not, called a figure 4. So you're going to take this leg and put it here, makes it a number 4. You're going to grab one hand at the ankle, you don't want to pull on the foot, and you grab the other hand behind the knee, and you're going to pull up to your chest. Keep this leg down. I like to keep this leg down because it does not torque the pelvis, it keeps the pelvis flat. Come over here, let me show you something. So what this is going to do is this is going to stretch all the muscles in the butt and stretch all the muscles in the low back. This is a great stretch for somebody that has sciatica, pain going down the leg. As long as it doesn't hurt, you can do this stretch. Then what you're going to do is you shouldn't have to lay it down all the way. You can leave your leg like that. That relaxes it. Let it relax for a couple seconds and pull it up again. If you have to, have somebody help. And you will feel a good stretch. Do you feel a stretch?
Yeah.
Should feel very good. These are stretches that you can do before you play sports, before you run. Anything that's going to compress the back, these are great stretches. You're going to put this down, get the point 3 times, and she's going to do the other side. So, grab just a little bit above the ankle and right at the knee. 10 seconds, should feel good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let it relax. And do it again. And you'll do that 3 times for 10 seconds. Now, forgot to show you on the last stretch. If somebody's pregnant and they're got a big belly, the best thing to do, or somebody just has a big belly, the best thing to do is pull your knees up to your chest, but you'll just have to kind of, come over here. You just have to kind of keep the legs spread a little bit. And what that'll do is that'll allow you a little bit more room to finagle yourself so you can pull your knees up to your chest. All right, so far we got it. One knee up to your chest, both knees up to your chest, do the figure 4 up to your chest. The last stretch is gonna be with you on your hands and knees. Let me show you this. And this is a good stretch. Go this way. Okay, and what you're gonna do, and this is a yoga stretch that people might have heard of called child's pose. You're gonna sit back on your heels and reach forward. And this will pull across here. Now, if somebody's in a tremendous amount of pain, this is a little bit of a harder stretch. The first 3 that I gave you should be very good, very easy. Once you're feeling a little bit better, or if you can tolerate this, this is good. No pressure on the spine, no compression from gravity, this is good. And what you'll do is you'll rock yourself back up into a neutral position. Just kind of go like this. And then go down again, reach forward. And it should be very, very comforting. And you feel a stretch. Feel this, Anna?
Mm-hmm.
All through here?
Yep.
Feels real good, right?
It does.
Okay, coming up. So, simple. Those are the stretches. Now, the worst stretch that you can possibly do, that is bending over and trying to touch the ground. The reason for that is you're compressing the disc, you're compressing the joints of the low back, and that is not good. How do most people hurt themselves? Reaching down to pick something up, reaching with outstretched arms. So do not bend over and try to stretch like this. You got too much pressure from gravity. You're better off doing it with laying on your back with your body in a neutral position. So look, those are the best stretches for the low back. Make sure you do those when you have pain and do them to tolerance. If it causes pain, do not do these. We will see you next week for another video. Thanks for joining. Please go to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, leave a comment, and stay tuned for other healthy tips on the low back.